Hey, welcome back, staff. Thank you. This is going to be a short video on new procedures that we have when you come onto campus for the 2021 school year. Standing outside, as you can see, we have an enter only and an exit only, as well as anybody who steps foot onto this campus, they need to have their mask on. It is mandatory that you have your mask on at all times when you are stepping onto our campus. Also, you can see outside that we have social distancing, that if there's more than 1 to 2 people in the office, you'll have to wait until the next person comes in. So let's go inside through the enter only. Okay, now we're coming into the office. As you come into the office, you'll notice that we have it set up a little bit different. We have plexiglass on the front, on the front desk. And then when you come in, what you're going to be doing, the first step is we have pins and you have a sign-in binder. What we're going to be doing is you're going to take a clean pen and you're going to sign in with your first and last name, what time you come in, and then you're going to mark down when you leave, when you come back out, all the places that you have gone within the school, your classroom, into the copy room. We want to make sure that all the touch points where you have been is cleaned off. By the time with our custodian, we'll clean the room when you leave to ensure that we have all safety measures in place. Okay, after signing in, we'd like for you to take your temperature. We have a non-contact thermometer here. We expect, in order to be on campus, your temperature needs to be 100.1 or less. Unfortunately, if you have a temperature higher than that, you'll need to leave the campus and come back at another time. Also, if you're in need of gloves or a mask, if you forgot your mask, we will provide them. They are here, and they will be here every single day on top of the counter right here. And then what you'll notice as we come through the office is that it's going to be a little bit different. You notice that you'll see a lot of arrows, directional arrows, some stand here signs, and also just some reminders of always maintaining a working distance of 6 feet. And so what's going to happen, because we have such a small hallway here, what's going to happen is that before you enter, you want to make sure that nobody is in the hallway. There's only going to be one person in the hallway at a time. So what we do is that person will stand here, you come in, ensure nobody is here, and then you follow the directional arrows out. For example, if you're going to the copy room, you're going to follow the directional arrows. You'll come in, nobody's in the hallway. We come into the staff room. Once we get into the staff room, you notice that we have directional areas, and we're only going to be going in one direction. So we're going to be going counterclockwise into the office. If you need to come to the copy machine, we'll be right here with the copy machine. You do your copies. We got to have hand sanitizer next to the printer. We'll wipe it down. And then you follow the directional arrows back out. Even if you're going to your workstation, I know you're going to have to go in a circle to come to your mailbox, and then you'll follow the arrows back out. You'll come back out. As you come out, you're going to stop and take a look left. You're going to take a look right to ensure nobody is in the hallway. If no one's in the hallway, then you will proceed back to your classroom, which is outside. You'll follow the line. We'll come back around. You'll come out the door to the side. Now, as you come out of the door from the main office, what we're going to do is generally you're used to coming out and going to your classroom, whether it be right or left. But one thing you're going to notice is that we're going to be going all counterclockwise to get to the classroom. And so you'll be following the blue arrows that we have designated on campus, even on the arrows on the ground here in front of the quad. As you can see, there's arrows designated, and we're going to be 6 feet of social distance as we do this to get to your classroom. And so just imagine that when we're on campus, we're going to be following this all the way around to all of your classrooms. Okay, as you can see, we're walking around, we're in the B wing, following the arrow, going counterclockwise. For example, if we're going to be going into room B103, what you'll notice is in a lot of the classrooms, we have these social distance posters that do show that, just as a reminder, that what we need to do. This one happens to be in Spanish. We have them on campus, both English and Spanish, about washing your hands, disinfecting, covering your mouth, the basic steps that we should be doing when we're on campus. And so you'll be seeing this when you come into your classroom. Staff, when you come onto campus, you may notice that our drinking fountains are covered. What's going to end up happening is that very shortly we'll be having some water bottle fill stations on campus. So if you have a water bottle touchless, you can use that to fill your water bottle. If you need a water bottle, please let me know. We can get you a water bottle. As you enter back into the main hallway, what we're going to be doing, again, you have the markers on the ground here. What we're going to be doing is we have the stand here markers, and you're going to stand here to ensure that nobody is in the hallway. Once you see that it is clear, then you proceed to the staff room, or if you're on the way out, what we're going to be doing is going up to the main office, the main desk in the office, to sign out. Just as you came in and signed in, when you leave, you're going to come back to the main office, come back to the binder, you're going to grab a clean plan, and you're going to write down rooms that you visited as well as common areas visited, whether it be a staff restroom or using the copy in the staff room. You're going to list that, you're going to sign out, and you're going to put what time you're out. Once you sign out, you're going to put the pin in the used box that we have here, and then you're going to exit through the exit only door and proceed back out. Okay, staff, that was a quick tour of what we were doing, of the procedures that we have to follow when we come on to Discovery High School. I look forward to seeing you here, but let's ensure that we follow all the steps that we went over, and let's have a great year.